Hi, welcome back to the hangar. You may notice that the fuselage is in the back of the hangar. That's because I've done all I can do on it until I can put the engine on and do the final wiring and the gas lines. So back she goes. It's time to do something different. Time to start on the wings.
A souvenir.
I need this piece.
That's an AN5 bolt. I don't know how I didn't die. This is the easiest way to cut the wires. And this is the reason for this. These are all the bits and bobs that aren't easy to recreate, or they're a pain in the butt. It's all the pieces I'm going to need to recreate the wing.
Okay, amazingly enough, this aileron is actually salvageable. Got to do a little repair right there, so this piece has to be replaced. No big deal. From here to here has got to be replaced. This rib and this rib are toast. But that's a nothing. So aileron will get salvaged.
don't know what possessed me to use stainless steel rivets to put the leading edges on, but you can't drill them out. You gotta chew the heads off of them with a cutoff tool. The fabric is held on by rivets along the ribs. That's what I'm doing here, is just drilling those rivets out.
Okay folks, what did we do today? Well, we pulled all the hardware we're going to need for the new wings out of the old wings, and we stripped the lower wing and inspected it. Now the reason I took that leading edge off, if you didn't notice, it looked like garbage. It was terrible. In fact, it's not the way you're supposed to do it at all for these airplanes, but I didn't know any better. It wasn't in the plans, and so I didn't understand. The leading edge only goes on the top of the wing. We'll get to that later, but this is where I'm going to stop, because I'm going to strip the big wing next time, and we'll start laying out and start building wings. So, bye.